Good morning! Why do I love pumping every morning? Alam nyo, mommies, kahit na unrelatching kami, buong magdamag sa gabi ni baby, I prefer pa rin na mag-pump early in the morning. One of the reason is that every drop goes straight to Yuki's meal. By the way, I'm 8 months postpartum mom, so technically 8 months na rin si baby. And I highly prefer na gumawa ng meal niya ng fresh. Including yung paghalo ko ng breast milk, gusto ko fresh rin. Kaya pinagsisikapan ko talaga na makapag-pump every morning. Noong una, I'm having a hard time talaga na mag-schedule ng pumping. Kasi lahat ng gawain from newborn, kahit ganong nanganak ako lang talaga. So very hands-on ako since OFW yung partner ko. And grabe, hagardo versosa talaga, lalo na yung newborn stage. Pero now, kahit paano, meron na akong time management. At the same time, andyan din yung firstborn child ko, kaya natutulungan niya ako magbantay sa kapatid niya habang nagpapump ako at nagpe-prepare ng meals niya. So, from 6 months si baby up until now, 8 months, naghahalo pa rin ako ng breast milk. Hindi ko pa nagtatry maghalo ng mga fresh milk or other milk products sa mga meals ni baby. Hindi pa ako ganun kakomportable na maghalo ng mga ganong klaseng gatas. Parang for me, breast milk is the best pa din. For this week, masasabi ko na stable naman yung breast milk supply ko. Kahit na 8 months postpartum mama ko, I am very thankful at meron pa rin akong liquid gold. Consistent pa rin ako uminom ng M2 plus Milo and malunggay capsules. By the way, yung gamit ko pala na malunggay capsule as of now is si Bresta. Sobrang daming active ingredients ni Bresta. So, nagtitake ako ng 1 to 2 capsules a day. At saka napansin ko rin na masarap yung tulog ko. Kahit hindi ako nakaka-8 hours, pero maganda yung gising ko simula nung nag-breasta ako. Highly advisable na ini-empty out natin yung breast natin since supply and demand kasi siya. The more we empty, the more tayo nagpo-produce ng milk. So, yung usual kong ginagawa is nagpa-parallel pumping ako. This is super effective, especially if you are starting to build your own milk stash. Pinaka-importante is nasasalo natin ang milk letdown natin. You can use electric breast pump, manual breast pump, or kahit yung manual silicone pump, just like what I am using right now. Remember, liquid gold is liquid gold. And pinapractice ko rin si baby na gumamit ng feeding bottle every night para pag may lakad ako, hindi ako mahirapan. Kayo, mommies, how's your milk supply?